Hey, I'm Dr. Jeremy Sutton, physical therapist with Healthy SBC here in North Louisiana. Today I'm going to show you a couple of exercises to help with elbow flexion and elbow extension. For this video, I have a client who has had a distal humorous fracture, and so the doctor's put a limit on her of 1 pound of lifting. And so I'm going to use a coffee cup because I don't have a 1 pound weight on me. So this coffee cup weighs about a pound. So I'm going to show you that with this. You can do it without the coffee cup, without the weight. You can just do it like gravity do it, but I'm going to show you. So we're sitting in my recliner here. You can do this sitting at a table, at a kitchen counter, whatever it is. I'm just using this because it was about right for me. So I'm going to take this towel that I have rolled up. This is just a bath towel. You don't have to have anything this big. It can be a dish towel. It can be a pillow, whatever it is. But the main premise is we want to put this under the tricep right above the elbow. And then we're going to let the arm hang. And so now you see my arm is hitting the armrest here. So we're going to move it out to the side. So there's nothing there for it to hit. And so I have full range of motion, obviously, but if you didn't, it may look something like this to where it's stuck. And so that's where we would put the coffee cup in our hand. You can hang it on your finger. That's probably not going to be great. Or you can hold a 1 pound weight. I picked one up today for, I think, $4 at Academy. So you can do that. Anyway, you're going to let gravity pull your arm down. Ideally, I would let you hold this for 5 to 10 minutes if you can stand it. Some of you may be more reactive to pain and it may hurt more, so you might not want to do that. But if you can stand it, hold it for 5, 10 minutes. You can do this while you're watching TV, reading a book, whatever it is. Okay, so that's the first thing. That's going to help elbow extension or elbow straightening. The next thing you're going to do is put this coffee cup down. You're gonna stretch elbow flexion. So in this one, it may be easier to pull it across to you, and that's okay. That's gonna get some elbow flexion stretching, okay? But it's also gonna get you a little bit of supination. So if you can do it, have your elbow at your side. You don't have to tuck it in crazy, but at your side comfortably. Reach and hold under your wrist with your opposite hand and pull up, almost like you're trying to touch your shoulder. So you're going to pull up, a nice gentle stretch. You're going to hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. You can do it 20, 30, 40, 50, but I just like to do a 5 to 10 second hold and then let it relax and rest. You might want to shake it out a little bit, whatever you want to do, and then bring it back up there and hold that again. So I would do this maybe 5 to 10 times. I would do the other stretch with the towel maybe 3 to 4 times a day for 5 to 10 minutes. Just whatever you can tolerate. If you're having pain with it, stop. Call your therapist, call me if I'm your therapist, text me, whatever it is. But call your therapist, reach out to your doctor and just let them know that you're having some pain, especially if it's sharp and it's persistent. If you have some pain with it while you're doing it, that's normal. If it goes away in a few minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, whatever, that's fine. But if it persists, then you might want to reach out to your physician or your physical therapist. Also, you can put ice or heat on it. A good thing to do is put heat on it while you're stretching. So if you want to put some heat and wrap it around the actual joint of your elbow and let that sit on there, and that's going to feel really good. It's going to help your muscles relax and get a little bit better stretch. So try that out for elbow flexion and elbow extension stretching. That's going to help you.